In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ticket in Salesforce, or as it's also commonly referred to, how to raise a case. If you're finding yourself in need of support or assistance within Salesforce, knowing how to effectively create a case is an essential skill. I'm here to guide you through this process step by step, ensuring that you feel confident and ready to tackle any issues you may encounter. Let's dive right in. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head over to help.salesforce.com. This is your go-to portal for all things related to Salesforce support. Once you're on the site, you'll notice a clear, user-friendly interface designed to help you navigate through the resources available. Next, look for the Contact Support option. This is usually prominently displayed to make sure users can easily find the help they need when they need it. Clicking on this will initiate the process to connect you with the help you require. After clicking Contact Support, you'll be prompted to select an org. This step is important because Salesforce needs to know which organization you're seeking assistance for. Once you've selected your org, you'll see a Get Support button. Go ahead and click on that to proceed. Now, as you move forward, you'll be directed to a page where you can click on the Create a Case button. This is the heart of the ticket creation process. Clicking this will open up a form where you can provide the necessary details about your issue. Here, it's essential to enter a clear and concise subject, followed by a detailed description of your case. This information is crucial as it helps the Salesforce support team understand the nature of your issue and how they can best assist you. An additional option you have here is to add a case collaborator. While this is entirely optional, it can be useful if there's someone else in your team who should be kept in the loop or might have input into the issue at hand. Another useful tip for making sure your case is well documented is to upload any relevant screenshots or logs. These can provide additional context and are often invaluable to support staff in diagnosing and resolving your issue quickly. Finally, once you've filled in all the relevant details and added any necessary attachments, you're ready to click on Create Case. This final step will submit your ticket, and from there you'll be able to track the progress of your case as it moves through the support system. And that's it, you've successfully created a ticket in Salesforce. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel more empowered to handle any situations that require Salesforce support in the future. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.